Hi vitepos lover. It's the vitepos tutorial here. This video is going to show you the order return or refund of vitepos. Let's get started. If you are new to our channel, then please click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get more updated videos. And if you are already a subscriber to our channel, then thank you so much for subscribing. Now we are see the details about order returns or refunds. In the order module, on the right side, we will get a new refund button. Click on it. We will get a pop-up here. We have to scan the product that the customer wants to return or refund. Otherwise, you can also search by order properties like order ID, outlet, process by, customer, offline ID, order date of the order. Here we scan and get an order ID for refund. After searching, we will get the order ID. On the right side, click on the refund button and we will get all the information of the order. Here we can select one or more products and return partial products. After selecting, we have to give the reason for the refund, then below we will get the refund button enabled. Now click on the refund button. We can see the return amount is showing. Check the search again button for more order refunds. Now we will show you full refund. Now for full refund, we select all the products and give the refund reason, then click on full refund button. It will show the full refund amount. After refund, you can print the refund invoice if you want. For that, on the order module, we have a new button that is a refund list. On this list, you get all orders that's refunded. Here, if you want, then you can see the details. For that, click on the details button. In this receipt, you can also see the total refund amount, refund ID, refund products with quantities. Here you can print or download the invoice. That concludes our overview of the order return or refund of vitepos. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more updated videos.